Welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Still organizing everything. Unboxing. This is what we have for dinner. Sushi, some tea, green tea, and also we got fajitas. Shalom, Shabbat Shalom, Shalom Aleichem. Fajitas, some rice, and some pho. So pho is pretty easy to make. You just make a beef broth, boil some rice noodles, put in some basil, mint, some jalapeno, and also some bean sprouts and the meat of your choice. Or if you're vegan, you can just skip the meat and do maybe tofu. And that's it. And we're decorating for the holidays already. So we have the Christmas tree up already. Right there. And that's about it. Thank you. These are my grandparents, grandmother from my father's side, Rajeunir, and grandmother from my mom's side. Kim Yang Lim, like the famous fashion designer Philip Lim. My mom is Huang, Huang, and my father is Heng. Last name is Ngy. And they live in the city called Liquid. But thank you to Brilliance, New York. Thank you to Dermalactives. Thank you to Lionesse, Orogold. Toda Rabba, Shabbat Shalom, Shalom Aleichem. Thank you to Gratiae and Lionesse. This is the body scrub. This is the collagen eye serum and the eye cream, broad spectrum SPF from Orogold, thermal heating mask, facial cleanser for men, and refreshing aftershave gel for men. And this is the peeling from Orogold. Thank you to Jane, my sister Jane, for these gifts of skincare and foundations, makeup. Thank you to my brother David also. And thank you to every subscriber for watching, liking, subscribing. We appreciate you all from all around the world. All our subscribers from England, from America, Scotland, Ireland, Canada, Mexico, and our new subscribers from Australia. Happy holidays to everyone. Happy Christmas coming up. Happy Thanksgiving for America. And also congratulations to Donald Trump, President Donald Trump. And thank you to everyone for joining in, watching, liking, and subscribing from all around the world. Have a happy holiday season. Have a fantastic day.